Unfortunately, we got ourselves a problem. Yeah, that's about ready to fly off. This one's cracked, so yeah. Something told me, but I had to have it. Yeah, I'm gonna get letters for this. The fact that I got another my brace bladed wing with the brace bladed power. But honestly, that was many years ago. And since Lakewood is gone, now if it was actually one of them Jarden ones, they'd be destroyed in like 10 seconds. But this is one of the last original Lakewoods that there were. That I picked up at a thrift store today for $5. But unfortunately, like you saw in the beginning, before the title, the blade is cracked. But it must have held out decent if it was running that well while I was cleaning the blade, so. And it's got a boombox cord, so. And the fact that it actually came with the feet, that right there is worth the price of admission. Model 200. So yeah. I mean, I admit when I saw the back of it, I thought it was another Lasco, but then I saw the top of the knob, the handle, and it's like, holy shit, crap, it's a Lakewood. And I wanted to make sure it was a Lakewood because we all know the arrow speeds are similar to that. And slightly off topic, well, another thrift store's got one of them Comfort Zone box fans, but I'm not going to pay $9 for it. I may pick that up when it's white tag day when it's half off. Who knows? So, I rambled on enough. So, what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up. We're going to give it a go. Right, there it is. All plugged up. So, ready? Here's high. But we better have a blade. And low. I probably could have put a drop of oil if I could get if I could have gotten the blade off, but it was already starting to fall apart. So. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. This circa 99-ish Lakewood Model 200 that I picked up for $5 at the thrift store. Honestly didn't need, but since I kind of regret destroying those other two Lakewoods. No, wait, no, let me rephrase that. I destroyed the 101, and the 202 I still have. I still need to get it, but this one's probably going to get salvaged, saved, because, well, Lakewood was quality. It was good. Unfortunately, it's just a name now, like everything else in life. So I guess till next time, whatever it is, unless thanks for watching, comment box is open. as a king of children. Fail.